Imagine transforming your kitchen with an unexpected accident. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an American engineer working with radar technology at Raytheon, experienced a life-changing moment. While testing a magnetron, a high-powered vacuum tube, he noticed something peculiar. A candy bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, Spencer placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and they popped. Realizing the potential, he experimented with cooking other foods. Soon, the first microwave oven was built, standing nearly 6 feet tall and costing $5,000. What began as a serendipitous discovery revolutionized cooking, making meal preparation faster and more convenient for millions around the world.